You want to make sure you clean the data and that it's staged in a manner that's useful for the end user so that they don't have to perform additional transformations on it before they can get to work.
The key steps for preparing and staging data for analysis usually involves ingestion, taking the data into a data warehouse, transforming it, cleaning the data, and then what I call kind of the serving layer, where you're actually making that data available for reporting, analytics, and machine learning type projects.
So it's also important to automate, and it also ensures a consistent, repeatable process so that you're not making manual mistakes when you're doing whatever it may be that you're doing.
A lot of times when you're asking for data, you say, give me all the data. And I think it's good to have a direction, like have some specific questions that you want answered to, some metrics that you need, and you can really direct that, because then what we can do is model the data in a way that it'll make sense, and we can actually, clearly define things for end users.